आज हम जिस पॉइंट पे जिस मकाम पे खड़े हैं, इस मकाम पे होने वाला है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग इवेंट। मैं मौजूद हूँ जी नापा में।
ये एक कोलैबोरेशन है जो कि हम वॉल्ड सिटी ऑफ लाहौर अथॉरिटी, उसके जो रेजिडेंट परफॉर्मर्स हैं उनको हमने कराची इनवाइट किया।
सिंध और पंजाब आपस में आज उनका मिलाप है।
Culture is a living organism. It's not dead. It's not something you put away in a cupboard. It is living history.
कहीं कवाली हो रही है, कहीं दास्तान हुई है, कहीं हीर गायकी है।
कल्चर जो है ना, ये एक अमानत है जो कि नस्ल दर नस्ल सीना बसीना आगे जानी है।
2007 में मैंने कथक सीखना स्टार्ट किया मैडम नाइला रियाजी से।
कथक के बाद क्या करना है? अब सालसा
कथक के बाद
सीखेंगे?
हाँ नहीं, मुझे लगता है ये बच्चों की अब टाइम आ गया।
Are you like kind of familiar with our Lahore culture, with the Lahore tradition?
I did enjoy my time there, and I was pleased to see that all the cultural areas were still there.
हम अपनी कल्चर की असास को पहचानें, उसकी सच्चाई को पहचानें और उसमें फ़ख्र से सर ऊंचा करके बताएं कि हम कौन हैं।
एंड वेलकम टू हेलो कराची और मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट डॉक्टर राफिया। आज हम जिस पॉइंट पे जिस मकाम पे खड़े हैं, इस मकाम पे होने वाला है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग इवेंट फ्रॉम अ वेरी कल्चरल सिटी ऑल द वे टू द सिटी ऑफ सीज। यानी एक इवेंट जो लाहौर में हो रहा है और लाहौर को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। वो पूरा ट्रूप जो है वो अब कराची में मौजूद है। मैं मौजूद हूँ जी नापा में, नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट, और यहाँ पे आज आर्ट और कल्चर की परफॉर्मेंसेज हम देखने वाले हैं। बट कहाँ की? लाहौर की, बिकॉज ये पूरा ट्रूप जो है वो लाहौर से ऑल द वे कराची आया है। अब आप सोच रहे होंगे ये कौन सा इवेंट है जो कि ऑल द वे लाहौर से कराची आया है। दिस इज रीन्यूइंग ग्लोरी, और इस रीन्यूइंग ग्लोरी में हम देखेंगे जी लाहौर की कल्चर परफॉर्मेंसेस, लाहौर के कल्चर सॉन्ग्स और बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें जो कि सिर्फ पाकिस्तान नहीं बल्कि पूरी दुनिया में बहुत अप्रिशिएट की जाती हैं। तो वो क्या है, वो कौन सा आर्ट है, वो कैसी परफॉर्मेंसेस हैं, ये आप और मैं अंदर चल के देखते हैं। All right, everybody. अभी हमारे साथ मौजूद है मिस्टर मार्टिन डॉसन। He is the Deputy Head of Mission of British Deputy High Commission, Karachi. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hello, good evening. I'm very well, thank you.
I
Very
love
nice
your
to meet you.
smile.
Thank you very much. It's taken me a long while
Right.
to work on it.
All right. So, since you are in Pakistan, so what do you like the best? The best thing about Pakistan?
Well, I love coming to cultural heritage places like this one.
Right.
I've been here 2.5 years, and Napa was one of the first places I came to visit. There was a function, they were having an event in the garden here, so I'm very pleased here. I enjoyed the sort of cultural heritage of the whole place.
You enjoy that. Are you like kind of familiar with our Lahore culture, with the Lahore tradition, the cultural performances?
A little bit.
A little bit?
I was based
so
in...
you're going to explore today?
I'm going to explore some new things today, but I mean, I have had the opportunity to visit Lahore. It was a few years ago when I paid my first visit back in 2011. That's a long time
That's
ago.
like a very historical city.
Very historical city, and I did enjoy my time there. I was back briefly last year, and the city has changed quite a bit since then. But
in a good sense?
In a very good sense,
Oh,
yeah. I think the development that's
Right.
taken on there is good to see. And I was pleased to see that all the cultural areas were still there, which is very nice. So I do have plans before the end of this year to get back up to Lahore and spend some holiday time.
What do you have to say about the tourism in Pakistan? Do you think we should, how else we can promote tourism in Pakistan?
Well, I think certainly the minister down here in Sindh.
Because we have a lot of potential.
Yeah, exactly. He's
Right.
working very, very hard.
Right.
And he's doing a great job and using lots of social media to promote the benefits of what's going on here in Karachi, but also in Sindh province, in all the historical sites that we have outside of Karachi as well. So I think there's huge potential.
Have you been there?
I've been to a few. I've been to Makkah,
Like?
I've been to Ranakot Fort.
Oh, Ranakot Fort, right.
yeah.
Mohenjo-daro?
Not yet.
Not
yet. But
yet,
thankfully,
alright.
the minister has invited me
Okay.
to visit that area, so I will take the opportunity indeed. So I think it's all about, obviously, it's packaging, it's selling it, and I think everyone here is trying their best to promote what's going on.
Right.
And obviously, the way the city is now, it's a very different city to what it was, 10, 15 years ago. So there's lots of things to discover. It's a much safer city than it used to be.
Enjoy the Lahore cultural performances today.
I will.
I'm
Thank
sure
you
you're
very
going to
much.
have a lot of fun.
Lovely. Thank you very much. Nice
Thank
to meet
you so much, sir. All right, everybody, we have the CEO of Napa with us, Mr. Junaid Zubairi. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
कैसे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक।
Sir, Napa is playing a wonderful role.
Thank you so much.
बहुत amazing, and I think this was very much needed. But आज जो आप लोगों ने किया है, bringing the Lahore culture all the way to Karachi, this is amazing.
That was the whole purpose, because we feel that nothing binds people better and more than art and culture.
Yes,
This
it
is
is.
what brings people together, communities together.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
All right, sir, थोड़ी सी अपना Napa का जो purpose, वैसे भी तो we all know, but there are a lot of people who are watching you right now
Yes.
internationally as well.
जी,
They want
जी.
to know कि कराची में जो Napa है वो क्या perform कर रहा है.
Basically, National Academy of Performing Arts is an academy where we provide education and training in the areas of theatre arts and music. So it's an education and training academy. So for the first time in 2004, the government of that time thought that there is a need to establish this kind of an academy where aspiring actors, scriptwriters, directors and musicians get training on an institutional level
Right.
and then go to the industry. So that was the purpose.
And they are doing that amazingly. All right, so आज जो event है Renewing Glory,
Yeah.
इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए. What's the theme? What's the concept?
So basically, ये एक collaboration है जो कि हम Walled City of Lahore Authority, उसके जो resident performers हैं, उनको हमने कराची invite किया to come and perform in this beautiful province of ours. And for the first time, these performers have come and they're performing here. तो इसमें classical dance है, इसमें folk storytelling and folk songs and dances हैं, और उसके अलावा ढोल धमाल का एक
Oh,
group
wow.
है. The idea is कि हम from the walled city to the city of the sea,
Yeah.
they come and they present their craft to our audience. National Academy of Performing Arts is a leading conservatoire offering education and training in the disciplines of theatre arts and music. The academy is built on the foundations laid by late Zia Mohyuddin, one of the greatest thespians Pakistan ever produced. Tonight's program, Renewing Glory, the cultural troupe has come from Lahore, led by Mr. Kamran Lashari, to talk a little bit about what Renewing Glory is all about, and to formally introduce Mr. Kamran Lashari, the celebrated Mr. Kamran Lashari. I'd like to invite up on stage our board member, Secretary Javid Jabbar Sahab, who is credited to have conceptualized this whole event.
Thank you, Junaid, for that introduction. So many esteemed guests, friends of Napa, some strangers and aliens from Lahore, but who are as native to Sindh as they are to Pakistan. It's such a privilege to welcome you all. I think one is humbly proud of being a citizen in a country and in a province where the state at least minimally fulfills this vital responsibility to culture and the arts. But this is an extraordinary symbol of a man born in the Punjab who takes Sindh to his heart with his very first poetry. The post-retirement era, especially of Dr. Lashari's work, is extraordinary. Who gave us that small film you might have heard of called Maula Jat. Maula Jat, my God. Kamran Lashari, what are you going to produce next? So here in all his splendid glory, Mr. Kamran Lashari brings to you history, glory, rolled into one, into this beautiful future of Pakistan. Thank you.
So going ahead, we are going to show 2 videos. about the flow of this program. There are two parts. This is the first part, after which we'll start the performances.
Thank you for unwalling our cells and opening our gates. We are gated in 12 gates, but we opened this gate, a new one. Absolutely delighted and really overwhelmed to be here today amidst you all, because many reasons. One is that I have carried Sindh all my life inside me. It was an instant love. So what I mean is, this romance with Sindh began right from the beginning. As soon as I got into civil service, I'm a born and bred Lahorite. I carry the name Lashari. We were settled in Lahore 500 years ago, and we are culturally Pakka Punjabis. But then, what a great exposure my civil service, I think I owe it to. My first identity, if any, I owed, came through a non-job. Suddenly, a new job cropped up, which we had never heard of, and that was Parks and Horticulture Authority. That was the time when Shahbaz Sharif Sahab was building Lahore with lots of roads, and he realized that the soft side is neglected, and so I was picked up to organize this beautification process began and all. It is more, not just on the restoration, it's connecting buildings with the people. You must have noticed each place, space that we have restored has been put to life, has been, put to use. As कहीं कवाली हो रही है, कहीं दास्तान हुई है. Thank you. I'm very truly honored, and for all your hospitality and all your efforts. I hope everybody finds it worth it. All shukriya.
आप सबकी इस पन्ना नवाजी और ज़रा नवाजी को सलाम। आज आप हमारे प्रोग्राम में कुछ फोक रंग देखेंगे, कुछ कथक की परफॉर्मेंस देखेंगे और कुछ खालिसन पंजाब का रंग देखेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम शुरू करेंगे एक कथक परफॉर्मेंस से। अगर आपको कभी लाहौर आने का इत्तेफाक हो तो गुजारिश है कि आप हिस्ट्री बाय नाइट को ज़रूर आके एक्सपीरियंस करें। हिस्ट्री बाय नाइट एक खूबसूरत सा टूर है जो कि लाहौर के किले को अपनी पूरी तमकनत के साथ आबाद करता है। उसके अंदर उसका समझ लीजिए कि जो क्राउन ज्यूल है वो हमारी एक कथक की परफॉर्मेंस है जो कि शीशवहर में की जाती है। तो आज हम उस परफॉर्मेंस को यहाँ आपके सामने पेश करने जा रहे हैं।
Right, we have ex-Senator Mr. Javed Jabbar with us right now at this occasion. Assalamu alaikum sir.
Walaikum salam.
कैसे हैं आप?
खैरियत,
बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक.
बिल्कुल.
So what do you have to say about today's event?
Yes, I am delighted that such a remarkable example of how to respect history has been brought from Punjab to Sindh as an example of the fusion of Pakistanis. Wherever they live, they share a sense of Pakistaniyat and pride in all the 4 provinces and the great people of Pakistan, their history and their future.
Yeah, and it's the culture which binds us together, I feel.
Yes, absolutely, culture. And culture is a living organism. It's not dead. It's not something you put away in a cupboard.
Yes, of
it is
course.
living history. And this presentation will show what the vibrant, robust nature of our culture is.
Yes.
कहा जाता है कि अगर आपको इश्क की चोट नहीं लगी, आप कभी कर्ब के अमल से नहीं गुजरे, तो आप तर्ब के अमल में दाखिल नहीं हो सकते। जिस इंसान ने कर्ब को महसूस नहीं किया, वो कभी तर्ब में अपना पाँव उठा नहीं सकता। अब हम प्रोग्राम के दूसरे सेगमेंट पे चलते हैं।
मेरा प्यार ते पक्काए सोनी घड़े ते कोल मैं जाती ते हाथ जोड़ के ते की तरला पाउंदी मैं मोर पेश करनी
आज जो ग्रुप हमारे साथ आया है, ये माधुलाल शाह हुसैन के मज़ार पे बजाने वाले ख़ानदानी और घराने के लोग हैं। तो विदाउट फर्दर डू साईं अब्बास।
मैम
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
कैसी हैं आप?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
मैम कैसा था आज का इवेंट? आपने
was
लाहौर को
amazing.
कराची में एंजॉय किया है।
इट वाज अमेजिंग। लेकिन मैंने ये नोट किया कि सबाहत ने जो साइटेशन बोली है, जो उन्होंने बयान किया है, वो इतना खूबसूरत था कि उन्होंने अपने अल्फाज में पूरे कल्चर को, पूरी मौसीकी को, पूरी सकाफ़त को और पूरे उनके बयानिए में जो एक हुस्न था, उन्होंने इश्क भी बयान कर दिया, मौसीकी भी बयान कर दी और उन तारीख़ और तमाम जोग्राफिया समो दिया।
Alright जी, we had the master of ceremony of this amazing event. सबसे impressive चीज़ और जो सब लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा impress की, वो मैम की knowledge, research और इनकी डिलीवरी अमेजिंग। क्या खूबसूरत अंदाज में उन्होंने डिलीवरी की है। हमारे पास मौजूद है सबाहत रफ़ीक। अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
You were amazing.
Thank you so much.
आपकी वजह से ये सारी चीज़ें समझ में आई, वरना नहीं आते।
अरे नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है, लेकिन ये कोई ऐसा तहकीक तो नहीं, मुतालिया है। कल्चर जो है ना, ये एक अमानत है जो कि नस्ल दर नस्ल सीना बसीना आगे जानी है, और हम अपनी कल्चर की असास को पहचाने, उसकी सच्चाई को पहचाने और उसमें फ़ख्र से सर ऊंचा करके बताएं कि हम कौन हैं।
Alright, thank you मैम, thank you so much. Lovely talking to you. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum sir.
Walaikum assalam.
So welcome to Sindh. सबसे पहले तो आप थोड़ा सा इस इवेंट के बारे में बताइए जो अभी हम विटनेस करने वाले हैं. व्हाट मेड यू ब्रिंग इट टू कराची?
Well, it's the invitation of the Napa.
Okay.
Although my heart lives in Sindh, so
I heard all that.
always beholden to this place. लेकिन ये I owe this to Napa. मुझे बहुत से राज़ी महसूस हो रहा है यहाँ का, और सिंध और पंजाब आपस में आज उनका मिलाप है.
पूरे लाहौर का कल्चर, पूरे लाहौर का ट्रेडिशन उठ के कराची आ गया. इतना एंजॉय किया हमने, इतना एंजॉय किया. सब एक जैसे लोग हैं और कल्चर जो है वो हमारी बॉन्डिंग जो है वो उसको और इंक्रीज़ करता है और हमें लिटरली पाकिस्तानियत जो है इस कल्चर में नज़र आती है. तो दिस इज़ इट, और आज के लिए बस इतना ही, और इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट शो में मैं आपको कुछ और दिखाऊंगी. टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़.